If you are tired of spending hours building GoHighLevel setups from scratch for law firms, what I'm about to show you in this video is going to blow your mind. Most agencies spend weeks building out this entire infrastructure from scratch. But with the snapshot I'm going to give you today for free, it is going to solve all of this and make onboarding lawyers into GoHighLevel literally a 10-minute process. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this entire thing up, and I'm also going to give you this entire snapshot for law firms for free. Check this out. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to get right into showing you what the snapshot is and how to set this up, but more importantly, why this is so powerful. So this snapshot, no joke, solves pretty much every problem a lawyer is going to have in the online marketing world. Okay, it's going to respond to leads with AI. It's going to book appointments. It's going to onboard clients. It's going to qualify prospects, manage pipelines and CRM, handle payments, and literally so much more. And it can do all of this via the GoHighLevel platform. It is so powerful. It's probably the most powerful law firm snapshot I've ever built. And just a quick tidbit about me, I served law firms for a long time. I actually have gotten law firms amazing results using GoHighLevel in marketing. Check this out right here.
I am the founding member of Jarvis Law in Front Royal. I have been working with Declan and Joe from Matrimont on building my business since I opened it in April. When I started this business, I was hoping for, let's just say, revenue of X. I'm already pulling in revenue of X times 3 or 4 of what I was hoping for at this point.
And I've helped a ton of other law firms just like that grow online. So I'm actually very dialed in the law firm niche. And guys, the snapshot I'm giving you today is amazing. Yes, it is absolutely amazing. Okay, and it's going to be free and it's going to check all of these boxes. So make sure you get your hands on it. But without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing is an SEO optimized website just like this. This thing is super high powered. It's big. It's got calendars embedded. I mean, look at the menu. This thing is legit. SEO optimized. Lawyers need this. Again, if they want to rank on Google, they got to have this stuff. Okay, we have amazing calendars in here as well. This is really big for taking consultations. We have an awesome marketing form in here as well. They can plug in. We can also, duplicate and change this. And we have this entire AI voice agent. Yes, these are the ones that can talk to you on the phone like this. Check this out.
Hey, you've reached a sub-account. I can help with your personal injury. How can I help you today?
See, you can literally talk to them. Well, sorry, I'm not going to go out there, talk to them back and forth. I have a lot of videos on this, but that is how amazing this is, guys. This thing is already set up. Okay, it's done. It's dusted. We just have to plug it in. We also have this amazing chat widget here, right here, where we can plug in the AI voice agent and it's going to just get right to work. We also have an AI bot. This is a big one. Okay, again, always follow your compliance laws. I know with law firms, they have all kinds of compliance stuff. So always check that. But this AI chatbot is insane because it can do the email side of things, the SMS side of things. It can kind of do like a paralegal side of things. Again, always be compliant. Don't be leaking people's information. But it has the ability to handle so much of that admin back and forth, BS you have to go through as a law firm. It can really do a great job if you train it properly. And it's pretty much set up. You just have to dial it. So there's that included as well. You then have this awesome pipeline right here also for bringing leads in. We have all of these automations. I won't go through this that much because I go through this in a lot of my videos, but these automations are all stacked so that when law firms come in, it dials everything and just crushes. And what's really important about this as well, guys, is it has review requests, which is reputation management. Same with the website being SEO optimized. This goes a long way in getting law firms ranked on Google like this. These are just random law firms. I pulled them up. I'm just showing this as an example. But if you want to rank law firms on Google, this is a major way that I got a lot of the law firms I worked with a ton of leads was optimizing this exact thing. Yes, this is how I did it. It's so critical that you do this, but this is how you're going to get a lot of leads is by optimizing. And this automation right here and this website are built for that. So if you are a law firm or you're selling to law firms and you're watching this video, you got to get your hands on this snapshot because it is absolutely overpowered. After that, we have a bunch of email marketing templates. These are absolutely insane. You got slip and fall, accident case, medical malpractice, wrongful death claims, and so much more. We also even have text message snippets to dial all of this in. So that's the entire snapshot. We have this, 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 and we have this and this. And guys, this is the snapshot I built and I'm going to give it to you for free. Yes, I'm going to give it to you free. I'm not going to ask you to, hey, give me $5,000. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to just hand it to you because I think it is that important that I hand the baton to you so you can do what I did and market for law firms, because that was my biggest niche that I served mostly. So again, make sure you get access to this. And the way you get access, you just go right down below. You can access my 30-day free trial, okay, of Go High Level, not 14-day, 30-day free trial. And then you're going to get access to my community so I can help you set this up if you're confused at all. Because in a second, I'm going to go over setting this up so you understand. But this whole thing, this whole snapshot, again, is free right down below. You'll see 30-day free trial. That way you can try Go High Level. And if you don't like it, not a big problem. You can just, head on out your way. No hard feelings. But also you can upgrade under me to get access to this. Or more importantly, okay, you can get that other link that if you already have high level and you're fully upgraded, you can get access to me as well. I also want to let you know that when you sign up with that 30-day free trial, you're not only going to get this amazing snapshot that I'm showing you with all of this amazing stuff, you're also going to get access to my entire private community, all of my training modules, and all of my live calls, even ones with me and my other amazing coaches for free. Yes, all this for free. You can even message me whenever you want up in this right-hand corner. We give away so much value. Guys, this is free. Click this. Look at this. Free. You can join these calls. This isn't some upsell. This isn't me going, hey, now you got to pay this. None of that. It's just me trying to provide the most value. That is the way this works. It'll always be that way. And again, if you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way this community is that great. You can come right in. You can go to the Share Your Wins column, and you can just look at all of the people winning. It goes on forever. You can even go right down below. Click the link down below if you don't believe me. Okay, and just look at the amount of wins. Actually, in a matter of fact, let me just show you what people are saying because I could just yap all day. Check this out. Seeing is believing.
Being with Declan within my first month, I saw results and got my first client and working on getting my second one. We're hitting 30 plus a month and
30,000 a month?
Yeah.
I landed 4 in my first month. Yeah, I just hit the ground running with your model.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
I was able to land an HVAC client for $990 a month, a hair salon client for a $1,000 website plus a $250 recurring maintenance fee.
I started with 2 clients and I'm closing in on 10.
Close to
So this month we're going to eclipse 50K.
So I have testimonials like that all day long. I could keep going, but the video would literally be infinite hours, so we don't want to do that. But that's how amazing this entire thing is. Yes, it's a legit community, but I think one of the reasons why people just love it so much is I give so much value for the price of free. That's really why. That's why people just are absolutely bonkers, because you can't find this anywhere else. So if that interests you, go down below, get this snapshot, and get into my community. So to set this up, it's simple, okay? You just got to go to custom values. You got to fill them out. If you don't know what that is, drop a comment. I'll send you a tutorial. And the same thing with the custom fields. Once we do that, these placeholders across this entire sub account will change. It'll go through and it'll change all of it for you so you don't have to. That is how powerful this is. So from here to here to here to here, all of this stuff, see right here, that's a custom value. These are custom fields and values. It's going to go through and it's going to change all of that. So from there, you get in, you set it up and you're done. I've built this entire thing to be so fast. You may be looking at this video and being like, this is so fast. He just breezed through it. It's because it is. I've set this thing up to be like instant deployment. That was my whole goal. I've done all of the work for you. I've plugged in the custom values. I've tinkered with the SEO. Like I've done all of this so it can be quick for you. It may seem like, oh, I'm leaving stuff out, but I'm literally not. You just get in, edit it, and you're done. And to edit the website, same thing as always, use the vibe coder and you're done. If you have questions on any of this, you can always drop it down below. I'll help you out. But like, guys, this snapshot is absolutely amazing. I have so much for you here and it's free. Yes, it's all free and you get my private community for free as well. It is a no-brain offer. I'm telling you, it's pretty much the most insane thing I've seen up to date. But again, all of this, you're just going to get access to. Now, the important part is if you are a beginner, you definitely want to watch more of my videos because you might be a little confused. But this is the cool part now. If you are still confused, you can always come into the community and go on one of these calls or message me and we can work it out. Again, you can just message me and say, I have a question, or send me a screenshot and I'll help you solve it. So like that is pretty cool. Like it's pretty simple. I'm just saying, I've never seen anything like this. And again, this snapshot you're getting access to, it's all down below. And it's that easy to set up. Like I know it seems like, well, what else do we have to do? No, that's it. Like it's done. You just have to get your hands on it now. And again, as you've seen before, like I've actually helped lawyers. I know this. I've walked the walk. Like I've actually done marketing for them. So like this video is like, I know it so well. I've breezed through it. Like it's just, I've just spent so much time ranking law firms and doing all this stuff. And it's really amazing. I also want to let you know that a big thing for law firms too, just massive pro tip, is running what's called A's, local service ads. If you optimize the GMB properly, you can absolutely crush with this. And this snapshot that I'm giving you access to really sets the infrastructure up to really crank with LSAs. Because part of the problem is if you don't have the right infrastructure, LSAs aren't going to have the same punching power as if you set this up properly. But with this, it sets it up to hit a lot harder. So that's it, guys. This is the entire snapshot in a nutshell. It's that simple. Like, that's it. There's nothing really else. It's just getting in, getting it, setting it up, and then you're good to go. And again, as you see here, this is everything you get in here. Deploy it with one click, edit it, and you're done. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, hit the comments down below. I'll answer personally. If you want to get into the community, 30-day free trial, get access to this snapshot, which, guys, if you are a marketing agency that is serving lawyers or you're a law firm and you're looking at this right now, you need to get your hands on this snapshot. It is a game changer. Okay, so go down below and get that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to link a video that's going to be going over local service ads. Yes, LSA is the thing I talked about before, because I think that if you're a lawyer watching this or you're an agency, you got to watch it. So this is just me trying to help you out, because I absolutely loved marketing for law firms, but I think a lot of people do it the wrong way. And I know this because I did it the wrong way for a long time. Local service ads are absolutely insane. And in this video that it's about to pop up, it's going to show you how to set them up so you can really dial it and start running it for them. Because here's the thing. Once you sell this, okay, entire snapshot to a law firm, or if you're a law firm watching this, it's both, okay, you're going to solve all of these problems. But the next problem is getting all of the leads in there. So juicing that up. So it's like, okay, we get 20 leads a month. Let's get 100. Okay. Because once you have the system ready, it can handle the volume. So from there, we want to then start running ads to get back in. It's as simple as that. That's the way it works. That's how we're going to do this. So again, guys, make sure you get your hands on this. It's an absolute game changer. And make sure you watch the LSA video that's going to pop up right now.